Alright, now guys, for the special event. Joel's epic sign he's making for his door, with only scotch tape that he's going to use not to damage the door. Anyways. Alright, so the main color will be red.
Maven flies in an elliptical orbit around our planet. At its lowest point, only 150 kilometers above the surface. At its highest point, it's over 6,000.
I'm kind of leaving a little bit of cardboard texture on it for that rustic look. And I'm going to be adding gold for the dollar sign on it. This is fast drying paint, guys, so this should only take like 4.5 minutes or so, about 3. It's very warm in here, so it's kind of dry, so the air will make that stick really well. I'm letting the red paint dry first because there would be less smudging over time if I add more paint.
That means that on every orbit, we're able to measure the full profile.
And this is gold paint. Metallic gold. Alright, now the time to make the dollar sign, guys. Oh, it looks sick already. Oh, okay, guys. That is the cool dollar sign for now that I'm making for the door. Oh, yeah, that is legit. Alright, thanks, guys, and please subscribe or comment or, do whatever. Just stay tuned to my channel, please, and there will be more epic videos to come, guaranteed. Alright, love you guys. Until next time.